Your cars. How about this one? What's this?
It's like my train.
Oh, this one is a train.
Like
And what are the colors that you see here? What are the
Purple.
colors? Purple. What else? What else? What else?
Yellow.
Yellow and
Orange.
orange.
We need to make
You
with
need to-
sticks.
Oh, you put it down first. Okay, so you're going to color. Your task is to color it properly and correctly. Just follow the colors that you see here in the picture, okay? Oh, what's that?
This one is purple. It's not purple.
Oh, and then you get another one.
Where's purple?
Okay, let me take it out first.
Where's purple?
Oh, go find the purple.
But I cannot find the purple.
You cannot find the purple.
Dami.
So many.
Sa,
Look at the
ano
cover
lang sila eh.
of each.
10, ano lang sila eh. 8 regular pa lang sila eh.
Go on. Where's the purple one?
I found it.
Found it? Okay.
Wow.
You try color. Oh, is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Color it properly. Okay?
Careful.
Oh,
Careful to the window.
Oh.
Careful. Okay. What's your favorite color, Erin? Erin, what's your favorite color? Oh, Erin is not answering me.
But I coloring.
Oh,
But
you're focusing pala. Okay. You hold the crayon properly, anak.
Dali,
Just like
yan ang
this.
kamay niyan, dali napapagod eh.
Yan, just like that.
Very good.
Okay. Wow. You're good at coloring. Go,
you go
Erin.
in car. Go, Erin.
Go, Erin.
Go, Erin.
It's your, go Erin, go! May cereal pa eh.
Go,
But
Erin.
You
I'm trying
copy me, but I copy you,
Are you
but
copying me?
but I get the colors quiet.
Okay, let's do it na.
Quiet. Turuan.
The next color will be...
Quiet.
I'll go on.
Where's the color?
Orange.
This
Good.
quiet.
So sorry.
Excuse me, Teacher LB.
Ano ba?
Dala sa video.
Ay, sorry. Ang
TL.
Quiet.
Opo, sorry. Hindi ka concentrate si Erin ah. Galing naman.
Yellow.
hello.
Quiet.
ASMR pa na to. ASMR.
Quiet. Quiet is too loud. Erin is writing.
Alright.
Ayaw niya pagupitan ang kuko niya kasi better daw na pang scratch. Sabi ko kailangan mo pa rin gupitan yan.
Can I see your nails?
Mahaba na.
You hold the crayons properly. Like that. No, not that one. This one. Not that one.
What's
That's
that?
peach.
This peach.
Yep.
Maybe it's orange.
No, this one's orange. This one, that's lighter kasi.
8 colors lang sila sa school pa lang nila eh.
Oh, next time we're going to practice, wala lagpas-lagpas ha. Okay.
I'm
How
train.
about this one?
A train.
This one pa? Here pa. And then also the window.
The storm.
The window.
Storm po ito.
Oh,
Maulap eh. Not blue kasi.
But how I gonna color blue? How I gonna color
Oh,
blue?
that's not color blue, anak.
But I color blue.
No, di ba? Your task is to copy the picture. Copy the colors of the picture.
Ah,
What's that?
it's done.
Look here, you're not yet done.
The storm.
Ganun yung
Gray.
gawin ni Teacher LB, oh. Kala mo nabibili sa libro, eh.
Are you done?
Let's try gold.
No, not that one. Oh. Look
Wait.
here, oh, there's white pa. There's white here pa.
It's
No, no, the
gold.
purple, the purple.
It's gold. This one is gold.
Is it?
Gold. Are you writing a tree?
Yeah. An apple tree.
Are you writing what numbers? Are you writing numbers on the apples?
Letters.
Okay. Yes, ball.
Are you done?
But I'm not done.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Let's have here.